Hello. Today we are looking at how to install SM64 Coop Deluxe on a Chromebook. Firstly, we will turn on Linux apps. To do this we will go to our system settings and click on the About Chrome OS section on the left panel. Under the Developers section, choose to set Linux up. Turn on Linux. Now that we have enabled Linux apps on our system, we will continue to the next step, which is to run several commands in a terminal, which will install the game. All the commands are in the video description. Now we will copy the first command and open a terminal session from our app menu. Next, we will paste the command into our terminal, either with a two-finger click on your terminal or click Ctrl, Shift and V together. This command will enable 32-bit architecture for Wine on your system. Press Enter. Now we will download the Wine security key and add it to our system. Now we will add the Wine repository to our system. Now we will update our system repositories of our Linux apps. Now we will install Wine. Wine is an application layer that allows us to install some Windows applications on Linux. Press Enter to confirm the installation. Wine is now installed. Now we need to install one additional package which Wine requires. Click on Install to confirm the installation. Now we will create a link to the C drive in which the game will be installed in. You can access your C drive here if needed. Now we will download the game. Now we will unzip the game. To launch the game we need to run the last command every time in a terminal. Let's do it now. Enjoy!